timeless elegance with superior craftsmanship. Welcome to this fantastic opportunity, nestled in the heart of the coveted Burton Country Estates neighborhood. Centrally located near recreation centers, athletic clubs, parks, and more, this meticulously maintained home is complete with a perfect backyard oasis and sets the standard for luxury living. Discover an inviting interior with soaring ceilings, 2 gas fireplaces, an abundance of natural light, and gorgeous custom millwork throughout. Vaulted ceilings, built-ins, and a wall of windows frame the spacious family room. The brick-paved covered patio is your private sanctuary with luscious, mature landscaping. The chef's kitchen is an entertainer's dream with high-end stainless steel appliances, double ovens, a beverage fridge, coffee bar, prep sink, and a walk-in pantry. From the breakfast nook, head out to the cozy fire pit, surrounded by nature. Or gather in the formal dining room with a built-in buffet and elegant lighting. Double doors open to the large office with handsome built-ins and wainscoting. Unwind in the generous primary bedroom suite, filled with natural light and with French doors leading to your private deck. The spa-inspired bath is beautifully designed with modern fixtures, a dual-headed shower, standalone tub, and a huge walk-in closet with organizers. 2 additional bedrooms with en-suites are located on the opposite side of the main level for privacy in this home of more than 5,100 square feet. Upstairs, a bonus room is ready for entertaining. And it opens to a large home theater with a wet bar, ready for movie night. You'll find an additional bedroom, a full bath, and extensive unfinished storage space with potential for even more living space. The covered gazebo is ideal for year-round gatherings. You'll also love the 3-car oversized garage with built-in storage and a workbench. An exceptional home on Northwest Countryview Way. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.